Hello everyone, we are live here. And before I get started, I have a microphone here, a very professional one, but it doesn't work now at this moment for some reason. Didn't get sound into my streaming app, so I'm using my AirPods, so I hope the sound is okay. And that you will hear everything with a good sound. So sorry for that. So next time I will have my microphone fixed, okay? Okay, so this is a Q&A for the Trade Changes community. And yeah, we just launched a new script for TradingView, the ATR Breakout Strategy. It's a script for ready for automation. And in this video, I'm going to walk through the setup. So a lot of people ask me how to set this up and how to connect it to the automation. So I'll give you a short demo. And also how to import the Pine script into TradingView and how to change your settings so you get really numbers in your dashboard, so really trades and a lot more. Okay, so that said, we're getting started, and you can ask questions also. I will do the demo, and after that I will do the questions, so I don't get interrupted and disturbed. All right. So let me share my screen in here. Let's go share. Cool. Here we are. Here we are. So you see my screen, right? Okay. So what is Trade Changes and what we are doing? All right. So we are a company which are creating scripts for TradingView, so Pine scripts, and these scripts are very professional and also profitable. And these scripts are created with our own AI tool, and we're using an AI tool which specially trained for Pine script, and also constantly improve the code so it will perform very well. And we started beginning this year, with selling this kind of strategies from TradingView to the Dutch community. So I'm in Netherlands, and we're based in Netherlands, and we started to sell our scripts and also our strategies first in Netherlands, so to see if people like it, and also it was a beta version to get the bugs out. And now we are 11 months later now, and it's growing very well, and we are now worldwide. So we're working with Quantico, copy trading. So we have a copy trading bot for the people which are in Quantico. It's very easy to connect. So Quantico is a company which has a platform where it's very easy to connect our strategies. And we have a community where we sell these scripts, and also in a few weeks we are having also an e-learning module available where we teach people how to create their own bot with Pine script or with our AI tool. So that said, I'm Dutch, so this is not my native language, so I hope you understand me right. So bear with me if I have to think about some words. But yeah, I think you will understand, right? Okay, so let me get my face out here of the screen a bit, like here. So if you're trading, you trade manually, you know these times are very hard to trade because there's a lot happening now in the world. We reach all-time highs constantly. There are no levels, so mostly we don't have any levels where we can trade on for support and resistance, because like we're trading gold, it's going up, 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 and only up. We had some downtrends the past weeks, and it's now stable, but yeah, the bot likes when there is a trend. So a downtrend or uptrend doesn't matter, but the bot likes the most if there's a trend. So we build the bots based on trends and on volume and price actions, that kind of stuff. Okay. So what we did, we put all our experience, what we have as day trader, into the code. Okay, so it's not just a code created by AI. We constantly improve with our prompts the script. So once we have a script, we implement it, we test it, and then we're gonna enhance it with our knowledge of day trading and put the necessary tools and algorithms into the script, so it will be profitable. So just we close the trade. You are here live at this moment, and we are here on a copy trading bot. So when we go here to the copy trading bot, you see we had a buy signal here, and we just had a sell signal here. Exit long, and we made $157 live with the stream. All right, that's cool, right? So we started. This is actually the times here: Amsterdam time, CAT Amsterdam time. So 12:30 p.m. it went long, and it's now 4 minutes over 4 p.m. and it exited long. And still, it's not the ideal conditions, but you see in here, it's working. And we have also a stop loss, but also take profit levels already programmed into the bot. So that's really convenient. So also risk management is also in here in all the bots, so you don't have to worry. Okay, let's get started. Let's go here. So we launched the ATR Breakout Strategy, and that is this one in here. And this is a strategy. It's also stated here, designed to capture directional moves after the session opens. It calculates breakout levels using the average true range, the ATR, of the previous sessions and triggers trades when price moves beyond those levels. It includes dynamic breakout levels based on session open ATR multipliers, optional trend and volatility filters, so trade only during favorable market conditions, ATR-based trailing stops for automated risk management, automatic end of the day closing, so just before the market is closing in Amsterdam time, it's 11 p.m. and for CAT time, it's 5 p.m. The bot will close the trade. Okay, so it's very safe also when you are prop firm trading. The bots are trading automatically, but also close automatically when the market is closing. We have visual entry and exit labels and alert conditions compatible with automations like Traders Post. The strategy works on short-term intraday charts, especially 2 or 5 minutes. So we have working on 1 or 2 minutes. I'm going to show you in a while how it looks like on different assets. And yeah, it's actually optimized for micro gold futures, but we have a new update the past Monday. It's also now optimized for NQ and ES. Okay, so we have a step-by-step guide. Once you purchase this code, this is the code. You get also the settings for the bots, which we have at this moment. So you can copy and paste them too, also in the bot. So you have the same results as we are having. You are fully in control of everything. So once you implement the bot, we give you a direction which setting we use, but you're also able to change the settings yourself in here, depending on your trading strategy. So how does it work? Let's go here. Let's create a new chart, a new layout. So now it opens automatically at my screen for MGC1. So that's micro gold futures, but you can take every asset you want. So how to get started? First, go to your PineScript editor. That's here. Okay, and click on it here on the bottom. Then click on create new and then strategy. Remove this here, this code, which is implemented as default. Remove it. Go to the code section in here. Just copy and paste it. So copy it and paste it here in the Pine editor. Once it's here, then save script. So you can give it a name. So in this case, I call it, for example, webinar demo. Webinar demo. Save. And the script is saved without any errors. So if you copy and paste the script like I did, you don't get any errors. Then add to chart. So now this strategy is add to this chart. Okay. So let's go here. It automatically also pulls the performance table, and you need a TradingView premium account to pull in the numbers in here from the previous months, right? Okay, so that's very important. If you have Essential, you don't see any numbers here on October or September, only maybe the current month. We have Premium, we have deep backtest in here, so that's really important to pull the numbers on the performance table. This is actually the strategy. At this moment, you see here long, but we still didn't change our settings. So I'm going to go back in a while because we want to have numbers here. So you see a list of trades. We don't have any list of trades. We have no data. We just pulled in a strategy. This is a red line, the green line, and the gray line. So this actually message also the price action and the ATR, as you see here. And yeah, nothing happens. So what to do now? Now you have to go to the settings area. That's here. So when you go up, can you see it? Let me see here. I have something of my streaming app in the corner. Yeah, here we are. Click on this wheel here. And this is actually the wheel of the settings area for your bot, okay, or for your strategy to change the settings, because you have to change it to get numbers here, because this is actually how you manage your strategy. So first of all, go back to, go here. We have, at this moment, we have some examples here for micro growth future settings, NQ settings, and ES settings. So let's go for NQ. So choose your asset in here, which you want to trade, in this case NQ1. Okay, here we are. And we need the time frame. We use a 1 minute time frame for this one. Go for 1 minute time frame in here. Okay, let's increase this screen. Yeah, maybe what I can do, these are the same settings. So here are the settings, you can copy and paste them, but to make it more easy, I will open this one, which is already ready, and copy paste it in here. So go to properties, this one here, properties. So this is 400,000. Then go to USD. We're using one order size, 0 orders, no commission, because we only have 10 trades a month. So with our current settings, so yeah, commissions are almost nothing. Then change the margins. It's very important to 60%. Otherwise, you don't see any trades. You see it's showing up now already. All right. Now we go to inputs. So we go to inputs and we copy our settings in here. So we have 71 ATR length, 38 ATR multiplier, trailing stop multiplier 6.3, position size 1, 15.55, close at the end of the session. Enable trend filter, we have 10 in here. Then the minimum ATR percentage is 0.03. And then we have the allowed trades. Start hour is 9 and 16. This is 18. Cool. And that's it. So we have the same numbers as, or maybe different. We have 38 in here. So let's go 38. The ATR multiplier. So now we have copy and paste the numbers of what we advise you to get started with this strategy. So here we are. And let's go back. This one here in the charts. And this one is what we are working on. So now you see the numbers are showing exactly the same as we have already in here in our version, which is already running. Okay, so it takes a while till your performance table will load also the performance into this table. All right. You see here also the total P&L is around 7K. The max drawdown is 1.5K. 12 trades, 75% profitable trades. Profit factor 5.9. Here we see the performance for November. We had 5 trades and already made 4K almost. Last month we made $3,100, and September it doesn't matter. So this is a new strategy, so we don't have the numbers for that point. So we have 2 months already in the performance table because we just optimized it for NQ. When we go to, for example, to gold, see here it's now ramping up. We had 2 trades this month, $64 loss, but the last month was $2,000 profit with 9 trades. So profit factor 11 and profitable percentage 7.8%. That's very high, and this is micro gold futures. What you can do also to scale up, when you go to the settings, also with micro gold futures, you can increase your position size here. So this is, we are trading with 1 micro gold future, but you also can trade with multiple contracts, or 2, 3, 4, 5 till 10. So you can use 10 micro gold futures to trade with. So if you do that, we'll go to the numbers in here. So let's increase the screen again. So you're able to scale here with your position size. Here you see 2.2K with 1 micro. When I go to 2 position size, then it's 4.4K. So it multiplies with 2. And now we have 3, but we don't have enough initial capital. So if we increase initial capital, then we see we have the numbers back again. So this is how it works. So with 4 contracts, we had 8.9K profit. Okay. So that's how you scale up with the number of micro contracts. It's the same here with NQ. So we have 1 mini contract in here. And with mini contracts, so when you use micro contracts, that's, I think, will work on 50K, 100K prop firm accounts, maybe for gold 25K too for 1 micro contract, but to be safe 50K because of the trading drawdown. But for minis you need at least 150K account, okay, because the drawdown is a bit higher, and but the numbers are very, really good. So you see here this NQ strategy is performing very, very well, and here you also are able to increase the number of mini contracts. So when we go to 2, we don't have any data here, so we have to go back to the properties. So we have to increase our initial capital, and boom, there it is back. Okay. So when we have 3 mini contracts, then we have to increase again to 1 million. I think 1 million, something like that. Yeah, there it is. Okay. So scaling up with the strategy is very easy. And be careful, because if you want to scale up with more mini contracts, with multiple mini contracts, then you need also have a 300K account or more because of the trading drawdown, right? Drawdown is very low, but yeah, to be safe, don't blow over your account. It's really important that you take precautions for that. Okay, so these are the settings. We have the settings in here, and when you go here, we have the trades. You see the trades here: long trade, long exit, long trade, long exit. So you see also the labels are plotted on the chart. You see here when the green line is crossing in here during market open, it takes a long, and vice versa with the red line, it takes a short, like here. See? So this is a really stable strategy. And because of the limited amount of trades, so we only have 12 trades since 20th of October. We go back 90 days. We had 37 trades with one mini contract, so that's an average of 12 trades a month. Okay, but we have 17k profit. Drawdown is very low, and profit factor is 3.8. So this also shows that during all market conditions, this strategy is very stable. You see here also the P&L is going up from this point very, very hard. Why? Because from this point, we started to optimize the strategy so it meets the current market conditions. So if we, for example, set the same settings as we have now in August 14 and we let it run, then we still had 70k profit. But if we tweaked the settings in between this period, then I'm sure we had more profit than it shows in here. Because what you're doing once in a week, you go here to the settings area. So let's go to the settings area in here. And you can check if it still meets the market conditions. Maybe you can improve the strategy by just changing the ATR length. Just watch the numbers here, what's happening. I have to go back to show you first. So when I go back here, so if you increase the ATR, for example, you see the numbers also changing. You see now we have an 8k, so we actually are more profitable, but we have less trades. So here you see the difference. If you want to have less trades and more profit, for example, just go tweak it. You see 11 trades, 12. See 11. So with this, you can improve, but also adjust the strategy according to your own strategy. So more trades, I think it's also more losses, of course, but also for me, the peace of mind that we only have 11 trades, for example, in a month, and it makes me 9k or 8k. For me, it's okay because I see 1 or 2 trades in a week. That's okay for me because I can live with that because it's profitable. Okay. And if I have a scalper, then you have more losses and it's more stress and you have more losing days. You have to have the trader's mindset to stay calm. That's really important. Cool. So once you set your bot, what is the next thing to do? To automate it. Go back here. So I just showed you how to pull in the scripts and also showed you how to tweak the bot. And now you want to automate it. And of course, if you don't want to automate it, you can use these plots and these alerts just for your manual trading, of course. But if you are sleeping, for example, and there's a trade during your sleep, then you miss that one if you are going to trade manual, all right? Then automation is very easy to do because there is a platform for that, and that's called Traders Post. I will leave all the links here below the video, so you are able to create any accounts. And if you use my links, these are affiliate links, so I can make money also from that too. So Traders Post. So this is Traders Post, and when I go to traderspost.io, this is what I'm going to show you. It's an automation platform, and you can connect TradingView, but also other platforms. And it's very easy to use. Everybody could do it. It has a lot of connections with a lot of brokers too. You're using Trade-of-8. You have Project X, TradeStation, Alpaca, Robinhood, Interactive Brokers, NinaTrader, E-Trade, Coinbase, Tasty Trade, Tradier, WebView, Kraken, Binance, Bybit, and Traders Post Paper. This is the paper account of Traders Post where you can test the bots, which you're actually also doing before we run them on our prop firm accounts, right? So you can trade a lot of assets too, stocks, options, crypto, futures, crypto, forex. It comes also with a manual and also with an e-learning module, how to connect it, very easy. But in our community, I'm going to show you in a while after this how it looks like. We're going to have a training too from A to Z, how to go from TradingView, put in your script, blah, 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 till the end to automate it and connect to your broker, etc. The Traders Post is the tool we're using. What you're doing, you pull in your brokers in here. Okay, so we're using Tradeovate. So import your broker, then go to strategies, create a strategy. Now, for example, this is the ES1 ATR. Just open it so you see how it looks like. Very simple setup. Give it a name. Asset class is futures. Style is systematic. It's a default. Primary subscription. That's the strategy. So, this is just the subscription to the strategy. Sorry, and you have to enable allow auto submit, allow live trading, allow any ticker, and save it. Then go to subscriptions. Create a subscription. This is the NQ. So this is the name. Auto submit, allow any ticker, connect your broker. So this is the broker we connected. And for the rest, it's very easy to set up, and don't go very deep into it now because we will have a training soon inside our community, how to set up your automations. And once you have your automation set up, then the only thing you have to do is go to your webhook. So go to strategies. We just had the ATR, this one. We have a webhook here, and then you have to copy the webhook. And this one you have to, the webhook you have to save, because now the webhook or Trader Post has to be connected with TradingView with a webhook. So what you are doing, you go here to alerts. You are creating an alert in here. Don't click it now. I'm going to show you how it looks like. So once you clicked on it, then you see something like this. Settings. So just choose the symbol or the contract you were in. Okay. Just choose it here. Then the strategy. So this is the strategy we just created and also adjusted the settings. So if you have one version in here, this is always the latest version of your settings. Click it on it, because otherwise you don't copy the new settings into the alert section. So you have two versions in here. This is the latest one. Boom. We have a 1 minute time frame in here. It's also okay. So you can also choose same as chart if you want. I have for TradingView, I have a professional subscription. So the premium, then it's open-ended. But if you have, for example, the essential, then you have to change the dates when this must happen, and also with the expiration date. This is the JSON you have to use, because this JSON will pull all the information from our bot, sends it to Traders Post. So we also provide this JSON in our training to the people which want to automate a bot. And then the notifications here is the webhook. And then you have to copy and paste the webhook URL in here. And then you are good to go. Okay. So this is how it works. Now we have connected the alerts from TradingView here to Traders Post. So now actually, if your alerts are active, then it will send a signal when it's going long or short, also close the bot. And then it looks like this. Then you see also the list of trades in here. Yesterday we had a $50 profit trade, so just after market open, closes 2 minutes after 3 a.m. And this signal will generate automatically. And you don't have to use a VPS server, because you can just close your laptop or your computer, shut off your computer, and your bot is running. So that's really, really convenient, because you don't have to have something open for the whole day. No VPS server. The signals will automatically send through the webhook to this automation section. Okay, so this is how it works. If there is any error in notifications, so here we had some trades today, they are all green with completed. See here? But once there is an error, it will show up here in red, and then you can take action too. So this one is connected, the RM Edge. We just had a trade, I showed you here. And also trade with another bot today and go to my trader fade. So I have running another bot on this account. And so we had $100 almost profit today with another bot. And this one is connected also to Traders Post. Okay. So you need 3 platforms: TradingView to pull in also our script, the strategies, configure the strategies, create an alert, go to Traders Post, create a subscription strategy, copy and paste the webhook into the alert section, then pull in your broker and connect your broker to your subscriptions, and that's actually it. Let it run. Okay. If you want to test it first, then use the paper accounts of Traders Post like we are doing here, and then you have also insights in here about the performance and everything. Okay. So that is it. Let me see if I have any questions. I'm gonna go to my camera. Let me see. We don't have any questions at this moment. Sorry for the sound, guys. If you jump in late, we have a microphone professional, but it's not working today for some reason. So I have to check what's going on. That's why I'm using my AirPods for the sound. No questions? Okay, cool. So if you want to learn how to code, let me share my screen. Microphone professional, but it's not working today for some reason. So I have to check what's going on. So if you want to code, that's why I'm using my yourself. I have to share the sound. The sound in here for my live stream. Go back here to this here. So if you want to code and you want to code your own strategies, it will also be. We want to teach you how to code yourself too in Trade Changes community, because we are using a tool, but you need to know which prompts and how it works and how to get the errors out, etc. So it's really, really easy, but you need some skills to get to the best performing strategy at this moment. How to enhance your scripts, how to, for example, we put in a performance table here, like you see here, how to put in extra additional futures like this. We're going to teach you all how it works. Okay. So here you have the tool we are using. It's also in the link of this video. I'm going to show you also there, so you can copy and paste it and create an account in here. So going to reasons, we have, let me see, maybe is this one. Yeah, like this example. So create a strategy and we want to add a trailing stop to it because we had a hard stop integrated and we want to have a trailing stop. Go all the way up to the first prompt. Blah, 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 blah. And increase the screen like this. It's integrated in TradingView, so that's really convenient. So it's not an external app, it's in your TradingView account. It just works with a Chrome extension. And you can use any language to put the prompts in: English, Dutch, German, whatever you want. So I'm using Dutch prompts. So like we hear, yeah, okay, Dutch with English. Can you add a trailing stop? To the strategy, will this not conflict with safety net? Because first we had a safety net integrated, but we want a trailing stop, blah, blah, blah. So I give him the code. And it gives me the script with a trailing stop like here. So I can copy and paste the script and test it. And it also will give an explanation. So when we change margin properties, has an effect on trades on the visibility. So it also gives answers on your questions too, so not only coding. And in the end, you have the perfect strategy which you can use to copy and paste in your PyScript editor. And we are here, we have some questions in here too. So this is the whole conversation with all the things we need to know and implemented extra. So we have also here, I asked also to put a table, so a performance table like I showed here, into the script. So it comes also with a script with some performance tables. If there is an error, maybe we see an error somewhere, it will catch the error itself. Maybe I have an example here. It's all good. No errors. Always when you want to show something, you don't see anything you need. Okay, so if it will catch an error, it will show also the errors and you are able to fix it too with the AI tool. So this is how it works. And in Trade Changes Academy, this is our community on the school platform. You see here we are live at this moment. So we have once in a month, we have a live Q&A session. We have like-minded people here. We just started. We only have 41 members. We are up and running now for 2 weeks in here. And when you go to the classroom, in here we have also a quick start guide for copy trading. You're also welcome if you want to copy trade our bots. Very easy manual how to connect it. Within 10 minutes you are up and running. Copy trading risk management, step-by-step guide to automate your complete strategy in TradingView. So what I just show you on video. We also have that in an instruction manual in the ebook, only $49. So this one in here. This is the ATR Breakout Strategy I just showed you, which you can purchase at this moment for $197 one time. So you can here click on here, you get access to the PyScript source code. Instructions are here, the updates in here. Okay, so this is here. And the price will increase on Friday to $297 because we just had an awesome update. So I'll give you the chance till this Friday to buy it for $197. Okay. All right. So this is the ATR Breakout Strategy. We also just released the sniper strategy. That's a scalper. I'm going to show in a while how it looks like. And this is the Dutch version. So this one we will also create an English version, but this is how you can create. This is a training how to create your own trading bot with AI. So this is the course. This is the Dutch course with all the modules, and we also will have an English version very soon for this one. So you can purchase the ebook instruction manual for $47 or go to the e-learning if it's ready for $397. Okay, and it's explained step by step how it works, troubleshooting, that kind of stuff. The scalper, we have also a scalper just released. It works the same. There's the same workaround as I just showed you with the ATR, but just a different bot. That's the gold sniper, and that's this one, the micro gold futures. This is the performance. You have more. You have multiple trades. So 30 days, it's around 61 trades in a month. So that's around 15 trades in a week. 15. Very low drawdown, only $360. Total P&L is 1.8K with one micro. 68% profitable trades per factor is 2. And when you go to the list of trades, then you see this. And of course, you have multiple trades, so more losses. So these are the trades what you can expect from the sniper. It's more a scalping bot. And also with total risk management included. And when you go to the settings, it's a very enhanced bot. You see here, you can choose for the ATR stop loss or just a hard stop loss, whatever you want, or ATR based. A lot of other futures inside here too. So you're fully in control of your own strategy. You can have multiple trades. So I have here 61 in a month, but if you want to have 100 or 200, it's up to you, or maybe just 20. It's all about what strategy and which prop firm account you have. Okay, so this is the Gold Sniper, also available in our community in here. Cool, right? So actually, this is it. Join our community. I will leave also the link here somewhere in the description in the video. And yeah, we are happy to welcome you here. Let me go to my screen, to my camera first. This one. Let me see also if we have other comments in a while. But this community rocks. Is a very unique community. It's all about trading automation. And yeah, we're happy to welcome you there. And yeah, see you also being successful, because we also have a section for winning trades where you can share that stuff too. Okay. Let me see if any questions. No questions. Cool. So this is our first Q&A, and every Q&A will be recorded. So if you can't attend, if you are in the US, that's we start at 4 p.m. in the afternoon in Amsterdam, Europe. But if you are in from the US, for example, then it's 10 a.m. EST time. All right. Thank you very much for being here. I really like it to do it again, because my background is digital marketer. I've been in the markets. I've been an entrepreneur for 20 years now, and I run several businesses. The latest one was BuildRoll. It's a digital market platform. I was the CEO for Europe, and I was the chatbot specialist, chatbot king, as they called me. I'm all about automation and automate things. That's why I worked on this automation for the traders. So I know a lot of traders are struggling, like me, also in the beginning. And yeah, trading is a very difficult skill. It takes a while before you get profitable, and you have to invest a lot in the beginning when you blow accounts a lot and that kind of stuff. You are emotional with losses. You have revenge trading, and you're glued all day behind your screen if you're a day trader for the perfect entry and exits. Now, with our trading bots, it's a piece of cake. Just turn them on, close your laptop, and it will do the work for you. Okay? Cool. So that was it. Thank you very much for being here, and see you next month.